Why carbon monoxide detector is required while installing boilers? Carbon monoxide (CO) detectors are essential during boiler installations due to the potential risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas that is produced during the combustion process. When boilers are not functioning properly or are poorly maintained, they can produce higher levels of carbon monoxide, which can be harmful or even fatal if inhaled. Here are a few reasons why carbon monoxide detectors are necessary when installing boilers. 1. Early detection of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide detectors are designed to detect the presence of this toxic gas in the air. By installing a detector near the boiler, it can quickly sense any potential leaks or elevated carbon monoxide levels, alerting occupants to the danger before it becomes life-threatening. 2. Protection against carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide poisoning can lead to severe health issues, including headaches, dizziness, nausea, confusion, and in extreme cases, unconsciousness or death. Carbon monoxide detectors act as a vital safety measure, providing an early warning system that allows occupants to evacuate and seek medical assistance if necessary. 3. Boiler malfunction detection. Boilers that are not properly installed or maintained may develop faults or malfunctions that can increase the production of carbon monoxide. By having a carbon monoxide detector in place, any irregularities in the boiler's operation can be detected promptly, enabling necessary repairs or adjustments to be made to prevent further risks. 4. Compliance with safety standards. Many building codes and regulations require the installation of carbon monoxide detectors in residential and commercial buildings. Adhering to these standards ensures that the installation is in compliance with safety guidelines and provides a safer environment for occupants. In summary, carbon monoxide detectors are crucial when installing boilers to detect any potential leaks or elevated levels of carbon monoxide. They serve as an early warning system, protecting occupants from the risks of carbon monoxide poisoning and enabling prompt action to be taken in case of a malfunctioning boiler. By incorporating carbon monoxide detectors, you prioritize the safety and well-being of those within the building,